Hello everyone. Welcome to Pure Stone Heart. And once again, for today's video, we will be doing unboxing. Okay, so 2 days ago, I ordered again another pair of shoes. So it's delivered an hour ago. So here we go. Let's go. Yes, these are. I ordered three pairs of shoes. As per my previous vlog, have you watched that one? That still I used to do unboxing and ordering this online, the Brands for Less, which I found out an online shop which very affordable and yet it's very good quality of shoes. Okay. I'm so excited for this. Sealed. Oh, this is kinda like very nice. So see, it's very nice. Yeah, this one. And this is a pair of shoes. Yeah. Well, look at this one. And now let's move on to the other two. And this is two pair of shoes, okay? Ta-da! See, look, this is so amazing. This is the pair that I really love. One of it. This is gonna be fun. Again, the size is Vietnam. Empty. And the other one is See? This is very nice. Pair of shoes. Thank you so much for watching. This is Pure Stone Heart. Don't forget to like and subscribe my video. Thank you so much.